Hi, I'm Ben with Clive Coffee, and today we'll be showing you how to set up the LUCCA A53 mini espresso machine. Let's get started. Step 1. Inspect the box and the machine for damage. Remove the machine from the box. We recommend saving all of the packing materials and boxes. Set the machine on a stable and level surface. Inspect the machine for damage. If you find any damage, please contact us immediately. Step 2. Water quality and filling the reservoir. Before introducing any water to the machine, it's important to test the water to make sure it's adequately soft. Use the included water test strip to verify the softness of your water. Ideally, we're looking for a softness near 50 particles per million. For more information on water, take a look at clivecoffee.com/water or use the link in the description of this video. The A53 Mini includes a softening pouch, which is located in the water reservoir. While this helps to reduce hardness, we recommend using water which has already been softened and filtered to avoid having to buy replacement softening pouches. Once you've verified that your water is adequately soft and filtered, remove the reservoir from the machine, remove the softener pouch, and fill the reservoir to the line 2 inches from the top. Reinsert the reservoir. Step 3. Filling your boilers and turning on the machine. Plug in your machine using either the 20 amp plug or the 15 amp converter cord. When it's plugged in, the machine will enter standby mode. You'll know your machine is in standby mode when the LUCCA light illuminates and the power light flashes. Before turning on your machine, press and hold the power and hot water buttons located on the top right of the machine. This will activate the pump and begin filling your brew boiler. Continue holding both buttons until approximately 4 ounces of water is dispensed from the group head, then release both buttons. Now we have to turn on the machine and fill the steam boiler. Press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds to turn on your machine. With the power on, the machine will automatically begin filling the steam boiler. At this point, the machine will start heating. You'll know the machine has come to temperature and is ready to pull shots once the 95 light stops flashing. Your machine is ready to steam once the boiler light stops flashing. If the word boiler has not lit up, press the boiler button. Your machine is nearly ready. We recommend at least 5 minutes of additional warm-up time before you start pulling shots. We've pre-programmed both espresso buttons to deliver roughly 4 ounces of water, so it is easier to dial in your grinder. Once your grinder is dialed in, it's very easy to reprogram your buttons to deliver the same volume of water every time. For tips on how to program your shot volumes, take a look at this video or use the link in our description. To stop the shot, simply press the same button again once you've reached your target output. For more tips on making the best espresso, take a look at our Espresso Essentials video here. And for advice on steaming the best milk, watch our How to Steam Milk guide here. And for all your coffee news and equipment reviews, don't forget to check out clivecoffee.com.